JACC Office Machine Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of business machines like laminators, paper cutters, binding machines, food vacuum sealers, arts and crafts products. We are located in Dongguan City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced sales team are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO9001, BSCI, CEDEX, UL, GS, and other certificates. We could meet any customer's audit standard. Our factory has 1 printing working shop, 8 injection machines, and 4 assemble lines, which provide a production capacity of more than 100,000 machines each month. Over years' development, we have established well business with worldwide famous brands like Officeworks, Carrefour, Office Depot, Aurora, etc. By investing heavily in R&D to develop unique products and working together with our partners, our products have achieved great success in many countries like Japan, USA, Germany, UK, Australia, and more. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our sales team about your sourcing requirements at any time. Your success makes our success.